Hello ladies and gentlemen, today with BK. I am following up on the VCM OTR installation on my 2017 Chevy SS. It is really a great upgrade. I can feel it in the pedal, I can hear it in the exhaust, and without this interior tube that was factory, you can see the hole back there. Let's see if I can get you. You can see the hole is in between the evaporator hose here and the brake master cylinder. That was a design that they did on 2016 through 2017, which put the sound of the engine into the interior. Well, I didn't even know that that was really part of what was when I was riding around. But man, without that, it is so nice because I can hear the exhaust so much better inside. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to cover up that hole. In my previous video, I stated, hey, I'm gonna just put a little plug in it. What I did was I just put this little plug here, which is just ripped off from another thing that I was working on. It fit in there. But what I did was I went online and I got a 1-inch cap. This is more for plumbing, things like that. I wanted to dry fit it first, so what I did was I dry fit without the clamp. And oh my goodness, there's a little ridge there on the vehicle that fits onto this, and it fits on there very snug. So I'm going to install that, and we're going to try to do it real time because I only have one hand holding the camera and the other talking, other trying to do its own thing, trying to install these things. So let me see if I can get down here. All right, hopefully y'all can see that. So it's back in there. I'm gonna try to get my hands back in here, and so as you can see, it's a little. I'm snugging on it right now. If anything, it's gonna stay on there. As you can see, that's it installed. But I bought this from Supply House. I'm gonna put the web address in the description, and it's going to at least makes it look clean under there. I know some have disconnected. If you see back there the two bolts there, they've disconnected the whole thing and plugged it off. I just think that looks pretty good there. It should stay on. I will keep everyone updated. But other than that, I'm really pleased with this. I'm on the fence whether or not I should do any type of a tune on this car, as there's been plus and minuses on what people say about that. But I've been very pleased with this car. It's a fun ride, and all they're doing is just going up in value for collection. But this VCM OTR is a fantastic buy. It just looks so much better. It actually looks like this is the way it should have looked from the factory. So just if anyone has any questions, put it down in the comments. But other than that, I hope everybody has a blessed day. Thanks for watching.